Welcome to our next series on working with text data. There are some challenges in working with text data. There can be empty space in the beginning or end of each string. There can be wrong capitalization. All the strings may be in uppercase or lowercase or combination. There may be multiple values stored in a single cell. Now we will have a hands-on session. We will import Pandas library. We will load the CSV file department. There are 4 columns. We will look at data type of each column. We see that the data type is object in all the cases, including employee annual salary. Because it has a prefix $ symbol at the beginning. We will check the unique values in the column department. We see there are 35 unique values in that column. Instead of checking column-wise, we can check for the dataset as a whole. In the next session, we will discuss in detail on the text data.